What's up, YouTubes? Today we are going to play Squarebird. So yeah, okay. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so basically you have to make them square so that the bird can survive. And yes, so yeah, try to make them survive. Oh my god, they're okay. Oh, so yeah, go download this game. Wait, already? Oh well, guys, I guess I have to cut the video in 42 seconds. So actually, let me just cut this video for 1 second in 48 seconds. Alright guys, the ad just ended really quick. So yeah, let's just get started in Squarebird. Okay. If you guys ever play this game, let me know in the comments if you have ever played it. Only if you play this. So yeah, go download it too. Squarebird. No, later. Okay, let's continue. One, boom, 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 boom. Oh my god, I almost died. Oh no! Okay, guys, just chill and watch this. Okay, just watch it. Okay, wait, tap start. Okay, never mind. I'll repeat, guys. Right, back as we were in Squarebird, Squirty Bird, Fever. Okay, same part I died. What? Okay, let's continue. Boom, boom. Okay, how much? Okay, guys. Boom. Let's go. Oh, let's go, guys. We finally passed it. That one. That one. This one. Oh, okay. I'm not sure. Should I do it, guys? Let me know in the comments. Fine, I'll do it. Let's watch it, guys. Let's see. Actually, not. Should I cut the video or you guys want to watch? Oh, just watch it or just skip this video. Alright, it's already done. So boom, boom, boom. What could those be 3x? Let's watch it again. Okay, let's play. Okay. Take it. Oh, easy. What's easy? Okay, never mind. No one downloaded. So I'm gonna just cut this video till it ends. So yeah, just hold for a little. Alright guys, the I just ended. So yeah, let's just open 3 eggs. What? Now I have so much money. Okay, let's continue. Wow. Already? Oh well, oh wait, actually, let's just cut it. Oh, okay. That was not gonna let me, guys. Touch blue only. My favorite color is blue. Wait. I shouldn't. Okay, I just got to look. I don't need to move anything. So yeah, nah. Oh yeah. Oh, Batman. Let's see who be you. Let's see if Spider-Man. Oh, abuse, guys. Let's see. We got Ghost right there. Oh God, I was never ready. Oh, no. Nobody cares. Oh my God, it's going really fast. Is there any human or what? Okay, it's going really fast, guys. I can't even collect anything, guys. It's just so sad. Get in the hole. This is not great. Guys, not a great game. Don't download this. Finally. Finally, I'm getting big. Oh, let's see. Mr. Gray. This noob, I'm finally eating everything. The whole entire world is all mine, guys. Yes, I'm getting big. Yahoo! Okay, it's kind of fun game. Actually, download this game, guys. Just don't download it. Let's just have some fun. Oh yeah, we're getting really big. I'm the best. I'm the best. I want. Let's just download it, okay? Just in case for the next video. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, good game. GG. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Wait. Okay. Never mind. Okay. Whoa, what? Where did that guy just came out of nowhere? Okay, boom. Be careful. These are weird guy. What? I think I gotta go a little bit higher, guys. Oh my god, these guys are so annoying to me. I'm on fire. Okay, let's just cut it. Nobody cares about these ads. Oh my. Okay, let's cut it in 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, tap to start. Boom. I need extra more so that I can survive, guys. Okay. What? No. Let's go back. What? You earn money? This whole time it was a scam? Wow, we're doing okay, guys. Oh my god, no. What, guys? Let me know in the comment if you guys hate it. Okay. Pew! Perfect. Yeah, I know, right? You been perfect. I know, right? Thanks, man. You been Wait. No. Oops. You been. Nah. Okay, let's continue, guys. No. Oh my god. I was doing first start, but then now I'm starting to be noob, which is so sad, guys. Perfect. I don't want any. Oh man, I was spam. Okay. No. I never knew. Okay, guys, I think just cut. Okay, never mind. My god, good thing I don't need to cut the video so that you guys can see better. No. We all hate ads. What? Okay, tap to start. Let's continue, guys. Okay, fever. I'm sick, guys. I feel so good. Start this. Okay, wait. Boom. So, guys, if you ever play this game, let me know in the comments. Oh no, open 3x. Yes, I need. Okay, let's play this. Just please stop. Okay, got it. Nobody cares. I play this in my birthday. So yeah, nobody even cares about it. Okay. Okay, never mind. I can't anymore. Oh gosh. Guys, let me just cut this video. So just hold for 10 seconds. Right, guys, the ad just ended. So yeah, let's just keep on opening our 3 eggs. What? How come this is impossible? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm a master. That's not what I meant for, guys. Go. Yes, first one. Yes. I'm not sure. Oh, what? I'm not sure. Okay, I knew it. So let me cut the video, guys. For now, ASAP. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. The egg just ended. So yeah, let's just open 3 eggs. Wow, what? That is so cool. So let's just continue playing. What the? Select. What? Oh, what about it? Oh my god, such a scam. See, where are you? 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 Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh god, that was a close one, guy. And boom. Oh god, that's perfect. Fever. Oh god, that was a close one. Yes. Okay, guys, we're doing really good now. When I start to be up. Undertale. Okay, end it. No. I don't trust that. Let's see, I don't trust it. I knew I would not trust that. Oh my god, how did I? Oh my. It's hard. Okay, there we go. Okay, boom. Wow. World record, guys. Fever! Super Saiyan guy. Alright guys, I think I have to end this video. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe now, like really bad, please subscribe. So also turn on the notification button and and let's try to get about 100 like. Also, let me know in the comment if you want to make me more videos. Bye.